evaluate in brackets 0.008 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, now let's break down this question. Now the first thing I would like you to do is to focus on the decimal number 0.008. 0.008. Now break 0.008 to a fraction. Try and change 0.008 to a fraction. Now to change 0.008 to a fraction, we're going to be having 8 over 1000. So 0.008 is the same as 8 over 1000. So our mathematical statement will now change to 8 over 1000 in brackets raised to the power of 1 over 3. So that's 8 over 1000 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Remember, it was 0.008 in brackets raised to the power of 1 over 3, but now we're having 8 over 1000 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to focus on your power. You need to focus on your power. Now we have 1 over 3 as the power of this expression. So 1 over 3 means the cube root of 8 over 1000. Now 8 over 1000 raised to the power of 1 over 3 is the same thing as saying the cube root of 8 over 1000. Okay, so we're now having the cube root of 8 over 1000. Now what's the meaning of the cube root of 8 over 1000? Don't forget that the cube root of a number means you're to multiply, you're to look for a number. Now the cube root of a number means you're to look for a number, you're going to multiply 3 times to get that number in the cube root. Now we're having 8 over 1000 as the fraction that is covered with the cube root. Okay, so we're going to be looking for a number we're going to multiply 3 times to get 8, and that number is 2. And we're also going to be looking for a number we're going to multiply 3 times to get 1000. And you know, and you really know, that that number is 10, because if you multiply 10 by 10, you're going to get 100. And if you multiply 100 by 10, you're going to get 1000. So our fraction is now going to be 2 over 10. Now 2 over 10 is a fraction that we're left with. So we have to break down 2 over 10, because actually there is a number we can use to break that fraction down. 2 is going to go into 2 1, and 2 is going to 10 5 times. So 2 in 2 is 1, and 2 in 10 is 5. So our 2 over 10 is now going to be 1 over 5. Simple! So your 2 over 10 is going to be 1 over 5, and your 1 over 5 is 0.2. Now remember, 1 over 5 is a fraction, and you can change that 1 over 5 to a decimal number. Now 1 over 5 is the same as 0.2. So your final answer is 1 over 5 or 0.2. Thank you so much for your time.